people, human beings, don't run after God. People that run after God are the ones that God has drawn. No one is seeking God. Have we forgotten Romans chapter 3? When you see people go to mountains and go to churches, now this new year now, everybody have started fasting. Is it because of God? Does people fast because they want to draw after God or they want to long after God? Because they just want to make it in 2025. Let there be a pastor who will put 30 days fasting and prayer and say, we want to seek God because we want the kingdom of God to come. Let him go and do his advert on radio. Let him go and do his advert on TV. And let's see how many people will attend that meeting. And if there is any one of us that is running after God, excuse me, it isn't your making. It's a pool. If God will not do that for you, I'm telling you, you can read God's chaser, can read books that will create an appetizer in your spirit that I need to follow hard. You can read the book of A.W. Tozer. You can do all of that. I want to announce to you, you just discover that you will only attend small and you will drop it.